How to choose the right radio antenna. Are you wondering how to select the best radio antenna for your survival needs? Choosing the right antenna can make a big difference in emergency situations. Let's break it down step by step. First, think about your communication needs. What frequency range does your radio operate on? Common frequencies include very high frequency, ultra high frequency, and sometimes high frequency for long distances. Ensure your antenna matches these frequencies for effective communication. Next, consider how far you need to communicate. If you are in an urban area, a smaller antenna tuned for very high frequency or ultra high frequency may work well. However, if you find yourself in a rural or wilderness area, an antenna designed for high frequency or longer wavelengths is a better choice. Now let's look at the environment. Dense forests, mountains, or urban structures can interfere with signals. You may need antennas with specific radiation patterns or gain characteristics to overcome these obstacles. Different types of antennas serve different purposes. Vertical antennas are popular for both mobile and base station use. Options include quarter wave, half wave, and 5/8 wave verticals. Taller antennas usually provide better range, which is helpful in remote areas. If you need something portable, consider handheld antennas. These are lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry and use. Directional antennas focus radio energy in one direction, which can be useful for reaching a specific location or distant repeaters. For fixed setups, base station antennas with higher gain and sturdy construction are ideal. Make sure they are installed correctly for the best performance. When evaluating antenna performance, keep an eye on gain. This measures how well the antenna directs radio energy. Higher gain antennas can improve range but may have narrower coverage angles. Also, consider the radiation pattern. Do you need omnidirectional coverage, which sends signals in all directions, or directional coverage, which focuses signals? Matching the antenna polarization, whether vertical or horizontal, to that of your radio reduces signal loss. Another important factor is the voltage standing wave ratio. A lower voltage standing wave ratio indicates better tuning, which means less signal reflection and more power transfer. Durability is key, especially in survival situations. Look for antennas that can withstand harsh weather, including rain and strong winds. They should be easy to carry, set up, and take down. Think about how you will install the antenna. Some requiring masts or supports, while others can be handheld or attached to vehicles. Choose antennas that need minimal maintenance and can be easily repaired or replaced if damaged. Ensure the antenna can handle the power output of your radio without any issues. Also, check that the feedpoint impedance is compatible to avoid signal loss. In practical survival applications, having an antenna that can be quickly deployed is essential. In rescue scenarios, maximizing range and clarity could be the difference between being found or remaining lost. Carrying a spare or modular antenna system allows you to adapt to changing conditions. An antenna that supports both very high frequency and ultra-high frequencies increases your communication options with different groups. Choosing the right radio antenna for survival and emergency communication involves matching the antenna type and specifications to your radio's frequencies and your communication needs. Prioritize antennas that offer good gain, durability, and ease of deployment to ensure effective signaling and rescue communication when it matters most.